Is it possible to improve upon perfection? Because according to these guys, they can make my skin look even better than it already is. That's the pitch by Lululab, a spin-out from Samsung in Korea, which is showing off its Lumini skin analyzing camera. Now, it's a multispectral camera that scans your face to look for issues with your skin. The camera, as you can see in this sort of booth, would be placed in a high-end department store by a cosmetics counter, and it scans your face for the 6 key signs of poor skin, including acne, sebum, and melanin issues. Once it's discovered what is wrong with your skin, it can then recommend solutions like a change to your skincare routine or buying a different cleanser, toner, or moisturizer. I always thought my skin was generally fine, but it turns out I've got a real problem with melanin underneath my eyes, and so I'm gonna have to now go out and buy a moisturizing cream, some filler, some toner, and I'm gonna have to wear a lot more sunscreen if I want to keep my face age anywhere close to my real age. And unfortunately, I'm already skin-wise a year older than I actually am, so I'm pretty worried. This product's available in 2 different flavors. You can either use it as a freestanding kiosk, or there's a handheld wand that could be connected to a tablet and kept on any sort of cosmetic counter in any sort of department store. It's not available yet, but the hope is it will be towards the end of this year. For more information of all of the exciting things coming out of CES, keep your browser logged on Engadget.com, and you're gonna have to excuse me because I need to buy some moisturizer. Okay?